In the heart of Malibu, where the mountains kiss the ocean, there lies a world of secret beaches, hidden gems where the untamed beauty of nature is still intact, untouched by the footprints of mass tourism. This is a tale of a journey, a quest for solitude, for the whispers of the sea and the caress of the sun. The first stop on this adventure, El Matador State Beach, is a symphony of rock formations and sea caves. Like a well-guarded secret, El Matador is tucked away beneath the cliffs, a secluded paradise that offers a tranquil retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life. Imagine the sun setting, casting a golden glow on the rugged rocks as the waves rhythmically kiss the shore. Just a short drive from the city, a world of relaxation and family fun awaits. Welcome to Dan Blocker Beach, a family-friendly haven nestled in the heart of Malibu. Unlike its secluded counterparts, Dan Blocker is a bustling beach filled with laughter, joy, and the sweet melody of family bonds. Here, the ocean's waves are calm and welcoming, perfect for young swimmers and sandcastle architects. Picture this: children giggling as they build sandcastles, parents lounging under the sun with a book in hand, the aroma of picnic lunches filling the air. Dan Blocker is not just a beach, it's a place where memories are made. With easy accessibility and top-notch amenities, it's the perfect spot for a family day out. So, pack your sunblock and beach towels, and let the adventure begin at Dan Blocker Beach, where the sea meets family fun. Nestled in a residential area, just a stone's throw away from the hustle and bustle of Malibu's main drag, there lies a hidden gem, Lechuza Beach. This is no ordinary beach. It's a place where the local community meets the seclusion of the sea, a unique blend of solitude and camaraderie. The beach houses, standing tall against the backdrop of the Pacific, lend a sense of homeliness to this sandy retreat. As you walk along the shore, feel the cool sand beneath your feet and listen to the gentle lullaby of the waves. This is Lechuza Beach, a residential retreat where community meets seclusion. It's time to explore, to immerse ourselves in the tranquil atmosphere of this well-kept secret. As we continue our exploration of Malibu's hidden beaches, we'd like to take a moment to remind you of the journey we're on together. If you're enjoying this journey of discovery, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more hidden gems. Click the bell icon to receive notifications about our new videos. As we travel from beach to beach, each with its unique allure, we encourage you to join us to share in the experience and the wonder. And now, back to our adventure as we head further down the coast to our next stop, Paradise Cove Beach, a hidden gem that awaits our exploration. Further down the coast, the journey leads to Paradise Cove Beach. Don't let the name fool you. This is not your typical beach. Here, the sand is a canvas of intricate seashell patterns, and the water, a crystal clear mirror reflecting the sky's ever-changing hues. The beach's private pier offers a stunning perspective of the coastline, a panorama that is sure to take your breath away. Just a stone's throw away from Paradise Cove Beach, there's a quiet and sandy retreat, Escondido Beach. Unlike its bustling neighbors, Escondido is a peaceful haven with its soft sand and gentle waves. Here, the beach is not just a destination, it's an experience. A serene escape from the bustling city life. Imagine yourself strolling along the shore, your footprints the only disturbance on the pristine beach. The gentle lull of the waves, the whisper of the sea breeze, and the call of distant seabirds are the only sounds that break the silence. The scene captures the tranquility and natural beauty of Escondido Beach, a place where time seems to stand still and nature takes center stage. Escondido Beach, a quiet and sandy retreat, is the perfect place to unwind and soak in the beauty of nature. Then there is Point Dume State Beach, a hidden jewel at the end of a winding trail. The journey might be challenging, but the reward is priceless. A panorama of the Pacific Ocean, framed by the silhouette of towering cliffs. Here, the soundtrack is the song of the sea, the chorus of the winds, and the harmony of nature in its rawest form. Further along the coast, the journey reveals Zuma Beach, a secluded haven known for its tranquil atmosphere. Zuma is a sanctuary where the world seems to pause, where time is dictated by the ebb and flow of the waves. The beach is a testament to nature's artistry, with its pristine sand and clear waters. It's a place to breathe, to be, to exist in the moment. The final destination on this journey, Carbon Beach, is a place of serene beauty, known as Billionaire's Beach. It's a stretch of sand where the world's wealthiest have their homes. But the true wealth of Carbon Beach lies in its natural beauty. The rhythmic lull of the sea, the soft rustle of the palm leaves, and the warmth of the sun on your skin. There's a hidden treasure off the beaten path, nestled between the cliffs and the sea, waiting to be discovered, Pirate Cove Beach. This unique beach offers a blend of adventure and tranquility. Its rugged cliffs, daring you to scale them, sit majestically next to serene tide pools, inviting you to explore their calm depths. The scene beautifully captures the harmonious coexistence of adventure and tranquility. So if you're in search of a place where you can experience the thrill of adventure and the serenity of nature, Pirate Cove Beach is your next stop. This exceptional beach, where adventure meets tranquility, is waiting for you. So ready your climbing gear, prepare your curious mind, and set sail for an adventure. Pirate Cove Beach, where every grain of sand holds a story, is calling. This journey of discovery, of hidden beaches and secret escapes, is a testament to the beauty that lies hidden in plain sight. In the heart of Malibu, where the mountains meet the ocean, these secret beaches wait, ready to share their beauty with those who seek it. The journey might be over, but the story of these secret beaches continues, with every wave that crashes on the shore, with every grain of sand that whispers tales of the sea, with every sunset that paints the sky. In the heart of Malibu, the secret beaches are waiting. Their beauty is timeless, their allure irresistible. The secret beaches of Malibu, a journey of discovery, a tale of adventure, a story of beauty and tranquility.